When is an asphaltic roofing system the right choice? So you can choose an asphaltic roofing solution when you're looking for multi-ply redundancy, enhanced durability, proven worldwide historical performance, high wind uplift and fire-rated assemblies, a lower long-term performance risk for issued guarantees or warranties, a system that offers compatibility with other roofing systems such as coatings or hybrid assemblies, and a simplified owner maintenance system. Asphalt is also highly specified by architects and consultants for profitable verticals such as K-12, higher education, hospitals, and data centers, and of course those high-profile federal government specified projects. Finally, asphaltic roofing systems are a versatile solution with multiple role offerings with differing application and reinforcement types. If you have any questions about asphaltic roofing assemblies, please contact GAF.